This little endoscope is connected to my computer. I've removed the 90-degree mirror so I have a direct view. I want to know if there are loose connections in this guitar. It's producing an annoying buzz when you're playing it. Mostly I use a little mirror and a lamp for this. But I have to investigate something else today. What I see here, I can record too, or make a picture of it. I bought this for €5. This is a clear view. It isn't a nice joint, but there's nothing wrong with it. And this is the other thing I have to investigate. I've looked in this violin with a lamp and I saw something very interesting, but I hadn't a clear view. So now I'm going in with the endoscope. And what I thought I read earlier is true. I have a genuine Antonio Stradivarius violin. Here it is. Antonio, and if you look very good, Stradivarius. Whoa, Fabricata anno 1664, I think. And after the name Stradivarius there was written another word, and it's maybe the place where it was built. The outside of my Stradivarius violin is also filmed with my amazing endoscope. I think I'm going to put strings on it so I can play it. And that makes me the worst fiddler in the world with a Stradivarius. I'm finished with this. Well, this guitar wasn't built very properly, but there is nothing really wrong with it. I found this loose connection with a sharp knife and some tapping. I opened it up as far as I could, moistened it a bit and then put the glue in. Normally there is a binding around the guitar that gives extra strength and protection. And here they have used a bit of black paint. It's made in Spain. And therefore it sounds nice, and that's true. But inside it looks like an orange box, and that's also true. If you press here you can make a picture or a recording, and if you turn a little wheel on the side you can adjust the amount of light. I could use a piece of veneer to do this, but this is easier, and I've used more than enough glue. I've used this grab to hold the camera, and then it's bent in any position. It's a very easy tool. When this is finished, it's glued forever. It never breaks again. This joint, I mean. The rest of the guitar, I don't know. I've used a lot of glue and I don't want the excess glue on the soundboard too much. So I left it to dry in this position, and then the excess glue stays in the corner.